Hello.
Hello, good day, Madam. I am Mariel Kiding. I am 27 years old and I am a Filipino. I am a single mother with two kids. I have a daughter and a son. I am third in a family. I have one brother and two two sisters. Um, I have an experience of 2 years experience in domestic helper since 2015 to 2017. I am work in a three member and a couple of the family and a 1 year old child. My duties and responsibilities are especially is taking care of the child of the couple and cleaning the house, marketing, cooking. Sometimes I am car washing their cars and also doing laundry and ironing their clothes. And and thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you.
So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn money, ma'am, to provide financial needs of my family.
So, you are a single mother, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of them?
My mother, ma'am.
Your mother.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay. So, how long do you expect to work in Hong Kong?
2 years, ma'am. And if the
Or more?
employer, yes, and if the employer want me to extend my contract, I will extend my contract, ma'am.
Do you love kids?
Yes, ma'am. Because I have two kids, so I will taking care of them like my own child.
So, can you sing it?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Like for example, the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.